Hey guys, what I'm going to talk to you about now is about a free shot. So if you've got your Chimella and it does this, and it shoots up and it opens and closes very quickly. The reason that that's happened is because at some point it's been loaded together and you've either had the button pushed in when you've loaded it together, so it's broken the mechanism on the inside, or once it's fired out, all that energy that would usually go into the canopy is now basically being smashed into this metal ring. And as you can see there, that metal ring's been knocked down. Okay, so what that's done, it's actually there to prevent the metal from spreading. But what happens is when you push it into the button mechanism, it's not going far enough to actually load it so it fires out again. So the way to do this, if you get a spanner and put it on there and you just tap it down, you can knock it back down and it will work again efficiently. Okay, if you don't want to do that, what you can do is you can actually do a bit of a hack, which is you hold it here, hold it there like that, don't touch the button, and you just push it together and it will click and then it'll open, and then it works perfectly fine. So what you can do then is you can actually push it into the chimney like so, push it in and then pull that down and it'll load in place. So even if the button mechanism isn't working, the Chimella will still work for you. So always read the instructions, my friends. Take care.